Dear students, welcome back to physical education class. Today we are going to learn basic skills of cricket. There are many basic skills: grip, stance, guard, back foot, front foot, drives, and head, back lift. So today we are going to learn these are the basic skills. Before you go for cricket practice or match, you should wear proper protective equipments. So if you do not wear protective equipments, maybe you get injuries. So always you wear proper protective equipments. Let's begin. We are going to learn grip of the bat. When you are holding the bat, you should hold on the middle of the hand. So grip should be and it should be V-shaped. And there is a gap between the bottom of the grip and the top of the grip. Should be straight line to the V shape of the bat. This grip. Second one, when you are holding the bat on your right hand, take the left hand top of the bat and slowly drag the right hand and hold it on the handle, below the bottom of the handle. Then next, take the left hand, hold it on the top of the bat and slowly drag down and hold it on the middle of the handle. So it should be V shape and there is a gap between the top of the grip and bottom of the grip. This is another method of grip. Next basic skill, guard, is very important for the batsman. When you are going to batting practice net or match, initial stage you should take the guard. So I will explain how to take the guard. See, when you go to the batting crease, you take the guard. For example, you are taking the leg stump. You have to take the ball to the straight line to the leg stump, and there is a batting crease line. So it's called hopping crease also. The batting crease, you have to mark a line straight to the batting crease line. And keep your toes, both the toes, straight to the leg stump and stand. After you take the guard, then next stance. It's very important. The batsman should stand in the crease line. Keep the right leg inside the crease line and keep the left leg outside the crease line. Then the feet should be straight to the shoulder level and hold the arms close to the thighs and keep the bat close to the right leg and take the bat. Stance. In your stance, the body should be straight and elbow and bat straight line. You have to keep the bat in comfortable height and elbow and body should be straight, and make sure that your grip should not be changed and head should be straight face to the bowler. Yes. Next basic skills, footwork. There are two types of footwork. One is front foot and back foot. So batsman's very important the footwork skill. If he does not know any footwork skills, he can out easily. So they should know how to play front foot and back foot. So now I will explain how to play front foot and back foot. First, front foot. Keep the bat close to the right leg and take the left side of the and keep the bat close to the left leg. There is no gap between the legs and right. Sometimes the gap is that the ball will go inside the wicket. Should cover the leg. It's called front foot defense. Next, back foot defense. Sometimes ball come above bounce to hip level. Keep the back foot close to the wicket and hits the ball. It's called back foot defense. Three types of drives. One is on drive, off drive, and straight drive. First, I will explain how to play on drive. When you are standing on the crease, the ball pitch straight to the leg side, towards to the leg stump. The batsman will hit the ball towards to the leg side, to the straight to the mid-on. This on drive. Next, off drive. The ball pitch towards to the offside, and the batsman hit the ball towards to the offside. It is called off drive. Next, straight drive. The ball pitch straight to the mid wicket. The batsman will hit the ball straight to the line, straight drive. I will play on drives. When you play on drives, keep your front foot towards to the leg side and hit the ball towards to the leg side and straight to the middle. Next, straight drive. Keep the front foot forward and hit the ball straight. Next, off drive. Hit the front foot towards the offside and hit the ball. Hi students, today we have learned cricket basic skills: grip, stance, guard, back lift, head, and drives, on drive, off drive, straight drives, and footwork, front foot and back foot. So these are the skills, basic skills, so everyone can do practice regularly. When you are doing practice in home, you should use only tennis ball, not the hard ball. So see you next week. Have a nice day. Thank you.